So this video is going to be a day in the life as a personal trainer, and I'm driving to work right now. Obviously, it's 5:40 a.m. My first client here is at 6 a.m. I have 8 clients today. After this client I have at 6 a.m., I'm going to do a leg workout. So you'll get a little leg workout, something quick for you to see. But yeah, going to go out throughout my day today, show you what it's like being a coach, but also I'm going to give you some things that are going to help you with your training. You're going to see what I eat. Yeah, just going to try to film every single one of my sessions with my client. Just got to make sure it's all right with them. I've been working independently for almost 6 years. I've been training for 7 years. So I pay an overhead, and that's it. Everything I make, which is pretty sweet. I did start off at a big box gym. Told myself I'd be there for a year and then get out, and it was the best decision I've ever made. And it was scary at first, but that's just with any type of big decision you make. It's scary. It should be. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you that, because I don't work at a big corporate gym, nor will I ever again. And I might work at another gym just to build up clientele when I do move to Florida. So, and that won't be hard for me. I build up clientele really fast just with what I offer, because I'm not like your every personal trainer. I got a set of skills that are unique, that set me apart from the rest, which is pretty sweet. So I hope you start seeing that too. And I appreciate you if you're watching this. This is something that I wanted to do too, and have fun with the video. So yeah, I'll see you at the gym this time. There you go. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Keep counting. I'm just gonna talk. So this is my client Jack. We're just doing a lot of shoulder stability work in the beginning. He's more of a baseball guy, so we gotta make sure that that shoulder is strong in all different angles, different ranges, trying to increase certain ranges. So right now we're doing rotator work. There you go. I'm gonna leave my pump cover on, a hoodie. I'm training with the hoodie on, of course, because we know upper body's gonna get small just by training legs. But I got switch shirts. And there's this cool stretch I want to show you for opening up your hip. It's specifically for internal rotation of the hip, because a lot of people lack this internal rotation of the hip, which helps a lot when you start getting below parallel in the squat. And sometimes when we get deep in hip flexion, sometimes we get experience pinch here in our hip, where the femur meets our pelvic bone, or where it attaches to the acetabulum. Banded distraction drill is going to be great for that, and I'm going to show you that real quick. And then all right, this is one of my favorite banded stretches for hip, internal rotation. Just trying to pull the femur out. So this is me doing it actively. You can take your hand, push, try to keep your foot grounded, and then actually rotate out. You can do this 5 times. You could hold it for 3 seconds, back and forth, and just floss it. Just make sure that band's on an angle. It's not pulling directly behind you. So we want to just pull that femur out of the socket and just go back and forth. It should feel uncomfortable. It should be a heavier band too. finish up the workout, I'll have all the sets, reps, tempo, and rest up there for you, so don't worry about that. Now I'm doing a scoop of grass-fed beef protein by Design Sport. I don't like doing whey. Sometimes I just don't tolerate whey, and a lot of people don't tolerate whey. They can't digest it. So this is a great protein that's clean, that doesn't have any fillers in there, artificials. The only sweetener in here is stevia, and that's completely natural. We have, per scoop is 21 grams protein. So sometimes if you're not feeling a shake right away, right after your workout, you're more in that sympathetic state right when you just get done with workout. Cortisol's up, you're not hungry yet, so you got to let that come down and get more in a parasympathetic state. I like to use the analogy of, think of like a cheetah hunting for a gazelle, and it's like a 45-minute hunt. Right when he kills it, do you think he's just going to start smashing, eating right away? No, he's going to sit on it for a little bit. He's going to let his body get more into that parasympathetic state, where now he has an appetite and he's ready to eat. He's ready to hammer all that good protein. So we're the same thing. So I'm not hungry typically right when I'm done with the workout. So I got to give it a little bit. Three, two, one. Pause at the top, right?
Pause for 3.
Yeah. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Brace. Yep. 3, 2, 1. For my client, we're warming up. First set's going to be 140 pounds. We're doing a descending rep scheme. So first set's going to be 12, 10, and then 8. 4 sets total. So as we drop in reps, we're going to increase in load. So I just have him doing a warm up. We're building up to that first set like we always do. There you go. Good controlled eccentric here. Yeah, squat's looking good. We've been working on this for a while. Good job. That was good. Meal 2. So far in 3 clients. This is my meal, ground beef and sweet potatoes. Total calories is 518. Looking at about 40 grams protein. And for carbs, let me look. And I use MyFitnessPal. So if you're new to that, it's pretty cool just to track. So 40 grams carbs. And then in this bowl right here, that's sauerkraut. So I'm doing sauerkraut because very good for the stomach, probiotic and prebiotic. So if you've been on any like antibiotics for a while and your stomach's still not right, you got to start eating this or doing a supplement that's really good and pre and probiotic high in it. So my stomach's been doing better since I've been eating this too. That's good. As I do that you saw this morning, digestive enzyme. This is HCl, so it helps break down protein. It's the main stomach acid in there that helps break down protein and assists with carbs and fats too. So this has been a game changer. I've been using these for longer than 2 years now, and they've changed the game with just more nutrient absorption, but also vitamins too. So this is zinc. So you see it, here's zinc. I'm not even gonna try to zoom in on it, but zinc is great for kind of getting estrogen down if estrogen's high and trying to balance it out, but it'll also help naturally increase testosterone and immune support too. So when your enzyme or your stomach acid is low, it's gonna be hard to not just absorb your nutrients from your food, but also your micronutrients, which is your vitamins, you know? So you wanna make sure that we're able to absorb those. So if you're taking a lot of vitamins, you might not be getting the full benefit of it just because stomach acid might be low. 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotate more. There, look here, and Derek's got a big old 1 rep max bench press. You could keep going. I'm just talking. He's got his bench press at 320, 325. So I got to get his rotators up there, and he's doing a lot better. We got to get them up 10% of that. So we're looking about 30 pounds, at least getting close to that, for him to be more structurally balanced, but also be able to stabilize the shoulder when he's under load when it comes to the bench press. And that's super important. That's just for everybody. So if you know your 1 rep max bench, do 10% of that. And that's where you need to be to be able to do reps. So we need to get Derek to do 30 pounds for at least 8 to 10 reps with the 4-second eccentric. When you're doing this, make sure too how he's going internal rotation. When he gets up here, he's really externally rotating at the shoulder. That's what's allowing him to get those externally rotators stronger, not just through the negative, but the concentric, which is right here. Let's go. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just got done with training. Had a full day. Everybody showed up. Extremely grateful for that. I love all my clients. I love everybody that I train. They come and go. That's what personal training is about. It's a revolving door. But when you're really good at what you do, you start seeing your retention gets better. And the more value you're able to offer, the retention gets better. I have clients with me I have one of them that's been with me for 5 years, and most of them been with me for 2.5, 3 years. And it's fantastic. It's awesome. Again, I'm super grateful. But these guys are getting results. They're getting stronger. Most importantly, they're feeling good throughout their everyday life. And they're feeling good through movement. And we're getting results. People are dropping body fat. Some people are taking a little bit longer than others just because nutrition is a huge factor. And that just comes down to how bad do you want it. So I stress that a lot in the beginning, constantly drill it. They know what they got to do. And yeah, I'm just, again, having fun. And if you're looking to coach or be a trainer, you got to educate yourself, not just getting your certificate. Like, you got to do a lot of other things to really differentiate yourself from everybody else. And that's what I'm trying to do. And I believe in myself. I know that I can work with anybody and get those goals that they want and get them feeling really good. And it's just, yeah, it's fun. So if you have any questions, drop them down below. But other than that, done for today. We're going to get home and we're going to have a meal. This will be my 3rd meal today. Obviously, I couldn't eat because I was training. I had 6 or 5 training hours back to back to back. So I'm going to try to go stuff my face now with a lot of food. Yeah. So I'll see you at home. Now we're at the end of the video. Officially, about damn time. I have almost 10 ounces of red potatoes, and then I have a big bowl of soup that I made, packed with tons of chicken, so high in protein. I'm starving. I'm gonna eat. Hope you enjoyed the video so far. And yeah, this is a day in life as a trainer. And yeah, let me know what you think. I appreciate you. Hopefully that you watched it entirely through and got some value out of it. You got a workout, got some stretches out of it. Saw how I trained my people. And yeah, this is what I do. I love what I do, and continue trying to get better and hopefully work with some of you that are serious about their training. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and leave any comments below with any question related to training or nutrition or just lifestyle. Let me know. Appreciate you.